What if I told you that looking graceful and elegant on the dance floor doesn't have to be such a headache? Well, today we're going to be learning 3 arm styles that not only will give you the gracefulness and elegance that you need, but they are also super easy to follow and you will be able to use them in both salsa and bachata. Right? Are you ready? Let's go! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata, and today we are doing both. So let's get started really quick. First we're going to do mirror. So I'm going to start with my left, you start with your right, and we're going to do count first bachata, all the styles, and then salsa, all the styles, and then we do everything to the music. All right, let's get started. Style number 1, always starting from cutting yourself. So we're here, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. By 4 you're up, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's turn around. Starting with the right, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now for number 2. For number 2, it's a little bit similar than the first one, but instead of going straight to the side, we're gonna go back. So I call it the peacock because I imagine that I'm a peacock and I open my feathers. Okay, so let's try it, mirroring you with the bachata basic. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we're going to rotate our wrists, and then we go 5, 6. On 7, there is a point when we reach the waist. So by 7, instead of keep going with the palms up, we turn them again, and then we go 8. All right, let's do it now. Actually, let me do it one more time this way. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's turn around. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now for style number 3, we have the touchy frame your body. Okay, so for this, just a quick tip. Just make sure that you touch yourself just with the palm, so it looks a little bit more feminine, yes? So we don't want to look like, right? Okay, so mirroring with bachata basic, we go, pretend you're just framing your body, you have a yummy bar of soap and you're going all over. 1, 2, 3, turn your palms to touch your face, and then 4, you're up here, and then we go cross, yes, so we go 5, comb your hair, 6, 7, 8, turning around, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, so what do you think so far? I hope you're enjoying it. Now we're in the salsa section. But before we go to salsa, please make sure to show some support by liking and subscribing to my channel. And also let me know what else can I do to help you. Alright, let's go into the salsa. And this time I'm not going to be able to mirror you because it's gonna look funny if I go like towards you. So I'm just gonna do the regular footwork, and I'm gonna do the arms just so you can see them facing me, and then I go and turn around. Okay, so for style number 1, we're gonna go again, cutting yourself, and we start with the basic 4 salsa, which is going back on 1. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Turning around. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Turning around. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and now for style number 3, we are gonna do the framing the body. All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Turning around. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and remember, if you have any questions, if you think the video is going a little too fast, you can just simply pause and watch again, redo, and then when you're ready, you can go to the next one. All right, so now we're going to do music, and we're going to do the 3 styles, bachata music, 3 styles, salsa music. Are you ready? So this was it for today. I hope you liked the videos and it was helpful. Remember, you can just learn whatever of the 3 styles you like, master it, and apply it to both salsa and bachata, and you're set to go, at least for the beginning, and then you can get fancier. Yes? Please let me know if that helped. I love to hear from you, and if there is anything else that you would like to know, also write it down. In the meantime, show love and support by liking and subscribing to my channel and clicking on the notification button so you won't miss anything, and see you guys next time.